I'm surprised she recognized that as a sneeze, too. It doesn't seem her to sneeze like.
I think she's going for the remote, or for the mouse. She wants to replay it.